Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect Gardenscapes to Google account. To connect your Gardenscapes account to your Google account is super easy. Open up the Gardenscapes application on your device and then tap the gear button at the top right corner from the main screen. Now click on Save Progress. Look for Sign in with Google option and tap on that. Now enter your Google account's credential, that is your email or phone number associated with Google, and tap Next. Now, select how you'd like to sign in. You can use your passkey or enter your password for your Google account. After typing down your passcode or entering your passkey, tap on Next. After you are done logging in, tap Continue, and you will be redirected back to your game. You will now be able to see that you have successfully connected Gardenscapes to your Google account. Now you can easily save and sync your game across devices. Restore your game if you uninstall or reset your phone, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.